Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion Web Clipper on iPhone and Android. So I'm going to begin with an iPhone. So let's go to a website. Now as you can see in Safari, I have a website opened. So now I need to add this website to my Notion. Simply, I'm going to click on share right over here. After clicking share, I'm going to have to select Notion from these applications. But as you can see, Notion is not here. So if Notion is not here, you can click on more and then you can scroll down. And then as you can see, Notion is right over here. So I'm going to select Notion and then I'm going to save. Now, as you can see, it's saved to Notion. And here is the saved web clipper. And here is the saved page in Notion. You can simply click the website right over here and this website will now be opened in Notion. Now let's jump into our Android device. Now here, as you can see, I'm logged into my Notion. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a website. So let's suppose I want to save this website in my Notion. I'm going to click on three dots on top over here. After that, I'm going to click on share. But as you can see, the Notion icon is already here. I can simply click that and share to Notion itself. I'm going to show you the full process. I'm going to click share over here, and then I will find the Notion application in the bottom. However, if you don't find the Notion in the application bar on the bottom, you can click on more and then search for Notion. But since I have Notion on the second position, I'm going to click on Notion and then I'm going to click on done. So after that, I'm going to go back to Notion application and then let's click on getting started on mobile. And as you can see, the page that I had saved is now in Notion. I can simply click over here and it's going to open from Notion application. So guys, that is how you can use the Notion Web Clipper on iPhone and Android. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.